In this video, I will be showing you how to use Copilot 3D to turn 2D images into 3D models. Let's get started. I start here on the Microsoft Copilot homepage. To begin the process, I click the plus icon next to the chat box to open the attachment menu. From the drop-down list, I select Add Images or Files. This opens up my computer's File Explorer. I locate the 2D image of a red sports car that I want to use, I click to select it, and then I click Open. Once the image successfully uploads into the chat box, I need to give Copilot specific instructions on what to do with it. I click into the text area and type out my prompt. I ask it to transform this 2D drawing of a sports car into a realistic 3D model, keeping the original design and proportions. I also specify that I want added depth, reflections, realistic materials, and fine details. Lastly, I ask it to render the final result from multiple viewing angles on a white studio background with professional lighting. With the prompt ready, I click the Send button. Now, we wait while the Copilot processes the request. You will see a message on the screen saying it is rendering the car in stunning 3D. It takes a little bit of time to generate the new images based on my detailed prompt, so I just let it load until the final results appear on the screen. The generation is now complete, and Copilot has provided an image grid featuring 4 different viewing angles of the car. I click on the image grid to open it in an expanded view. This allows me to carefully check the details, the depth, and the reflections to ensure it looks like a high-quality, realistic 3D model. Satisfied with the result, I close the expanded view. I scroll up briefly to view my chat history, then bring my attention back to our new generation. I hover over the image and click the small download button located right below it to save the picture to my computer. The file quickly downloads to my system. I click on the downloaded file from my browser's download menu to open it up in my default image viewer. I review the downloaded file one more time, and then I close the window. Back in my web browser, I click to expand a previous image generation of the car against a city background so I can review it. To really see how well the transformation worked, I want to compare the files. I snap my image viewer window to the left side of my screen, displaying the 4 new 3D angles. Then, I snap my web browser to the right side of the screen, showing the other image. I can now zoom in and easily compare the flat 2D image with the new 3D rendered details side by side. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.